Hey, paisans, gather round. Ladies and gentlemen, tonight we celebrate the man, the myth, the legend, Don Pete Corleone. Capiche? Capiche? August 20th, 1966, Fort Bragg, Carolina, that's where destiny kicked. Born at Womack Hospital under Army skies, already had the look and the wise guy eyes. He said to Gina, "No party, capiche? I mean it this year." She smiled and said, "Sure, sweetheart," then whispered, "Forget about it," with a grin ear to ear. She made the phone calls, kept every secret tight, like a real mop consigliere. She worked every single night, months of planning, not a peep was heard. Omerta was stronger than anybody's word. Happy birthday, Don Pete Corleone. Everybody kiss the ring, leave your troubles at home. Hey, Goomba, raise your glass tonight. We're dancing on Kāneʻohe Bay till the morning light. The man, the myth, the legend, they all know when Don Pete walks in. Everybody says, "Hey, bada bing, let's go!" Then Don Pete starts making plans. Maybe I'll be somewhere else. Gina nearly dropped the cannoli, talking quietly to herself. Finally she says, "Honey, I gotta confess, if you don't show up, you'll miss your own surprise." Madonna! Now the cat's out of the bag, no turning back. Even the neighborhood wise guys couldn't fix that. Friends came from every corner of the island that day, crossing mountains, crossing traffic, just to celebrate on beautiful Kāneʻohe Bay. They came with hugs, they came with laughs, they came with stories and maybe just a little too much wine. People like Joey Bag of Donuts, Big Petey, Little Petey, Repeaty, they're all gonna be here. Bada bing, bada boom! Look at Gina, what a class act. Belly Zima, planning every little thing. Decorations, food, music, love, like she was running the finest family gathering this side of Little Italy. If party planning was organized crime, she'd be the boss every single time. Happy birthday, Don Pete Corleone. Everybody kiss the ring, leave your troubles at home. Hey, paisano, sing along tonight. We're making memories under Hawaiian moonlight. Bada bing, bada boom. Everybody shouts salute. Here's to 60 glorious years, looking pretty good in that birthday suit. Whoa, maybe keep the clothes on, Don. Hey, Vinny, who planned this party? Gina. Who kept it secret? Gina. Who fooled the birthday boy? Gina. Who deserves another glass of wine? Gina. Everybody, give the godmother a hand. Happy birthday, Don Pete Corleone, king of Kāneʻohe Bay, a legend of the family, army strong, special forces tough. But tonight, he's just another wise guy turning 60. So raise your glasses, shout salute to family, friends, love, and laughter. Because around here, nobody gets older. They just become made men. To Don Pete, may your cannoli stay full. May your wine never run dry. May your stories get better every year. And may nobody ever tell Gina they don't want to party. Forget about it! Happy 60th birthday, Don Pete Corleone. Mangia, salute, leave the gun, take the cannoli. And whatever happens tonight, keep your mouth shut. Capiche?